This Road to Prosperity video is sponsored by Vandergraaf, the leader in the design and manufacturing of high-quality, premium efficiency conveyor belt drives. The Grizzly Drive drum motor is built to operate in harsh, dusty, abrasive, and extreme environments where performance and durability matter most.
What can you tell us about, what's happening at Bull Run, and, how did people kind of rally behind to ultimately make that a proven success with the autonomous hauler?
Yeah. So, this is a project that we're so excited about at our company. We're so proud to have been selected as a partner with CAT to do this at our Bull Run site. And then I think why we're so excited about it is because we get to be a part of shaping the solution for the industry. We get to be a part of preparing our workforce to be ready to run a solution like this. We get to be a part of influencing the business case for the aggregates industry and for Caterpillar. And then it highlights our people. So when I think about many of the reasons why I think we were chosen, it was about our team giving and receiving feedback, being honest, being creative, providing resources to all do that on a test site. And so, it takes the whole team has to have that culture to explore and experiment like we are with something like this at one of our biggest sites. And so when I go up there and I see our team that's up there, one of the people, I like telling stories. So one of the stories I tell is the person that we've chosen to put in charge of this project on our side, his name's Rusty Minix. And 10 years ago when I was at Leesburg, he was a foreman there, and I was eating Jimmy John's in a truck covered in dirt with Rusty Minix. And then fast forward 10 years, we're at the airport, and Caterpillar flies in their executive jet, and the executives get off, and Denise Johnson's there, and they're talking about autonomous trucks, and Rusty is standing up presenting everything we're doing on autonomous trucks, and just crushes it. And I'm like, man, when you think about igniting human potential, Rusty and I never would have thought that would have been where his life and career trajectory would have taken him 10 years ago, and then now he's doing that. And so you see these stories about people's progression, the things they're learning, the things they're innovating and leading around are just so impressive. And when I think about our company's history on the leading edge of technology, I think we were one of the first to pioneer automation of plants. And so that was kind of in I believe like the early 70s. My grandfather saw the Philip Morris cigarette facility here in Richmond. They had automated the production of cigarettes there. And so he went and he hired the electrical engineer and said, hey, how can you come do that on our chip plant? And they took part of our aggregates plant and interlocked it and automated it all. And so I think about what those people were saying back then. They were probably like, man, are we going to need people to run a plant? Or a lot of the same questions we're asking now about the pit. They were probably asking about the plant when we were messing around doing that in the 70s. And so it's just so cool to have a mindset of continuous improvement and knowing that you're working on things that make all of our lives safer, more efficient, easier, more productive. And we get a chance to shape that, and our people get to grow and learn and be inspired while we're doing it. It's just so cool.
Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit vandergraaf.com to discover the cost-saving and safety benefits of the innovative Grizzly Drive drum motor. Learn how the Grizzly Drive reduces maintenance costs while delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors operating in the harshest of environments.